Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times in the past, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. I want to do a little house cleaning here and just get rid of this line here and then also the one down here. Sure, they still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first part's not necessarily an update if you watch my past videos, but more so a confirmation that, yeah, this level right here at the 87 mark, which I've talked about before, is definitely a very stubborn area of resistance. You can see during the first 30 minutes with the gap up, that's right where the price got rejected. But it was also a double whammy type thing, meaning you had the 200 period moving average sloping down, and they basically converged right at that exact area. So not exactly shocking at all to see that the price, did get, rejected from that area. But then what's fascinating is after the price got rejected, that because that is a moving average, meaning that line is going to continue to move further and further. You can see that afternoon-wise, it was almost like that pink line just slowly pressed the price downwards, Now, I'm not saying the price can never break above that 200 period moving average, but here we just have a good classic real-life example of how those moving averages can tend to act as resistance when the price is down below them. So 83 cents going to be that near-term level of resistance going into Friday. Remember, the markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. But so 83 cents, that near-term level, and then you can focus back on the 87-cent mark. And then as far as supports in the very near term, again, same concept. Now down here we have this purple line, which is the 50-period moving average, and you can see how that moving average has done a great job of holding that support right there. In the event that level does not hold up, then the next level of support would be down there around that gap close location at 75. But as of right now, it's holding up very nicely. So again, near-term level of resistance, 200-period moving average. Next level of resistance, 87. Near-term level of support right there at the 80-cent mark, that 50-period moving average. If that can't hold up, then the next level of support down there at 75 cents. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.